Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming the model and current firmware in the Google Home app so you know which reset method applies. Once done, make sure Chromecast stays powered and your phone and TV are on the same Wi-Fi network. This prevents partial resets or reconfiguration errors. Next, decide whether you'll use the app for a soft factory reset or the physical button for a hard reset. You're starting the process now to minimize troubleshooting later, and each choice affects how devices reconnect afterward. If you choose the app, open the device card, tap Settings, then select Factory Reset and confirm. The app sends the command and you'll see status updates. If using the device button, press and hold for about 25 seconds until the LED begins flashing or changes color. That indicates it's erasing. Make sure not to unplug the power during either method because interrupting the process can corrupt the recovery. Continue watching on-screen prompts. They guide you through the exact timing and completion indicators. Once the reset finishes, reconfigure your Chromecast in the Google Home app as if it were new. You'll pick a Wi-Fi network and name. If the device is unreachable during setup, restart your router and power cycle the Chromecast, then attempt setup again. Network conflicts are the most common cause. If problems persist, try a second factory reset and verify you're connecting to the correct Wi-Fi band. Some routers and guest networks block device discovery, so switch to a standard 2, 4 or 5 GHz network as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.